How to use smart objects in Photoshop. Smart objects in Photoshop are a powerful feature that allows you to maintain the original characteristics of an image, making it easier to edit non-destructively. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use smart objects in Photoshop. First, open your file in Photoshop. Right-click on the layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. This will preserve the image's source content, enabling you to perform non-destructive editing. With the layer converted to a smart object, you can now apply filters from the Filter menu. Any filter you apply will be listed as a smart filter, allowing you to adjust, hide, or remove it without affecting the original image. If you need to edit the content of the smart object, double-click on its thumbnail in the Layers panel. This will open the source content in a new window. Make your edits and save. The changes will automatically update in the main document. You can also transform without losing the quality. Use the Edit Free Transform tool to scale, rotate, or warp the smart object. Unlike regular layers, you can transform smart objects multiple times without losing image quality. If you want to create multiple copies of your smart object that all reflect the same changes, simply duplicate the smart object by dragging it to the new layer icon in the Layers panel. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of the flexibility and power of smart objects in your Photoshop projects.